Water is the most precious creation on Earth. 97% of the total volume of water is the saline seawater. Only 3% is sweet water in the form of snow, lakes, rivers, tank, well and underground water. We have to depend on this small portion of water for our domestic use, agriculture, irrigation and industrial purposes. Till the 70s, open wells were in use everywhere. Wastage of water started with the introduction of electric pumps for lifting water. Destruction of forests and inorganic agriculture decreased the percolation of rainwater and hence the groundwater recharge. It resulted in the drying up of open wells. Shallow bore wells were enough in the beginning. Now the drilling is up to 1,500 feet depth. Such a deep well will yield saline water, which is useful neither for drinking nor for agriculture. Even in the hilly regions with heavy rainfall, rivers and streams dry up by December. Acute water shortage is common in summer months for irrigation and sometimes even for drinking. The government has some unscientific plans such as deepening the existing bore wells, drilling more number of tube wells, supplying water by tankers, etc. Now the time has come to pay the price for our mistakes over the decades. The Third World War, if it happens, will be for water. Karnataka stands second, next to Rajasthan in the total area of dry land in India. Even today, we receive almost the same quantity of rain, though the distribution is imbalanced. Average rainfall of Karnataka is 1,135 millimeters. If so, where does this rainwater go? The answer is quite simple. It flows into the sea without recharging the groundwater storage. There could be many reasons for today's water problems, but the exploitation of underground water for drinking and irrigation without any efforts for recharging it is the main reason. Groundwater storage is like a bank account. If you fill it in rainy seasons, you can withdraw it in the summer. Our irresponsible behavior has resulted in the empty water account. Hence, we are responsible for its recharge. We have dug lakhs of bore wells, sometimes up to 1,500 feet in depth. Hardly a few people tried to recharge with various methods. Rajasthan is a model for soil and water conservation for all other states. Strengthening the water sources is the only long-lasting solution for the water problem. Many rivers have started flowing again in Rajasthan by recharging efforts. No doubt, this is possible in other regions also, which receive better rainfall. This documentary film is produced to show the methods for soil and water conservation, roof water harvest, and mainly the borewell recharge with rainwater. Let us discuss the quality standards of pure water. Drinking water must be free from harmful microorganisms. Organic matter and salt levels must be in the safety limit. Potable water should taste good, free from bad odor and color. Total dissolved salts should be less than 150 parts per million. Irrigation water drawn from deep bore wells will have more salt content. It is safe if the pH of such water is between 6.5 and 8.4. It is good if the EC of the water is below 0.7 ds per meter. EC is between 0.7 and 3 ds per meter. Use the water carefully depending on the soil type. Water with the EC more than 3 ds per meter is considered saline, which is not suitable for irrigation. It is good if the total dissolved salts are less than 450 milligrams per liter. Be careful while using the water with T.D.S between 450 and 2000 milligrams per liter of water. If it is more than 2000 milligrams per liter, it is not suitable for irrigation.